you to make this stem and leaf plot. So as you can see here, I've already loaded up our StatCrunch file with this data set. And I'm going to go here to graph and go down to stem and leaf. And then you can select age. And let me move this over. Here we go. Select age and then go ahead and click compute. Mine is not visible on screen, so I have to move it back. Yours should be visible all the way at the very right of your screen. And so this graph makes it easier to see our data is definitely younger. The class is most definitely younger. There is this very young 12-year-old student. There's all the other students in their late teens. There's students in their early 20s, late 20s, early 30s, mid to late 30s is one student. So this one broke it up between 5 years. So 5 years in the teens here, 5 in the teens here, 5 in the 20s. So that's 20 to 24. This one would have 25 to 29 and so on. And if you notice, this stem plot didn't even include 40 and 50s, and it definitely labeled this age of 58 as high.